Shouldn't be going bad like that. Seems we got cavitation or something going on in the pumps. We don't know for sure. But, as you can tell by the background noise, being in this chill plant 40 hours a week, that's why my weekend videos are play whenever I can, because putting up with this racket, I want to get out in nature, relax, hear the birds, get a little sun. Oh, I can get sun if I want to. And in fact, I just came in from cleaning towers. There's some handy dandy tanks. Came from our condensate system. Raining pretty good out there. We'll do a spin around the oval. One of my favorite spots. I do love that arched walkway. You know, I think what it boils down to is I love life every day. You have to look for those little special moments that the good Lord throws out there for you. So many people get bogged down in day-to-day problems. They forget to look up and be thankful for the simple things. And I'm not always that way either. I don't mean to sound like I'm on a soapbox, but can't live without water. It's a beautiful thing. All the plants prove that. Gotta get to work.